Where were you, I am, bot?
Ohio, southeastern
Thank goodness Twitter's there for me.
northeastern Ohio, southwestern Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
And yes, I finally
At
went on
5:10
20
p.m.
up there the
Eastern
whole
Daylight
time.
Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Kingsman, or 17 miles north of Warren, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour.
Trying to do something right now.
Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage
My
to vehicles
apologies.
if possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kingsman, Orwell, Adamsville, Atlantic, Pymatuning Central, Jamestown, and Hartstown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula and Trumbull, and Crawford, Pennsylvania. The urgent weather message.